Hello everyone. Now I will teach you how to calculate equivalent resistance between 2 points. First of all, we will see the symbol of resistor. This is the symbol of resistor R. When two resistors are connected to each other like this, then this is series connection. Okay, this is series connection. And when two resistors are connected with each other like this, then this is parallel connection. These two resistors are connected with each other parallelly. Okay. Next, we will see the formula of series and parallel connection. In series connection, equivalent resistance is calculated with the formula R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R2, where R1 is this resistor and R2 is this resistor. These two resistors are series with each other because one terminal of this resistor is connected to the other terminal of this resistor, and these 2 points are different points. Therefore, this is series connection. And formula of calculating parallel resistance, parallel equivalent resistance of two parallel resistance is 1 upon R equivalent is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. Okay, then we will solve this. R2 plus R1 upon R1 into R2. Now we will take inverse of this, that is R equivalent is equal to R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. Okay, this is the formula of parallel resistance. Okay, these two resistors are parallel with each other because one terminal of first resistor is connected to the another terminal of second resistor. That is, both terminals of both the resistors are connected to each other. Therefore, this is parallel connection. Okay, now we will see one example. Let's take this series connection. Value of R1 is 1K and value of R2 is 1K, and these are the 2 points R1 and R2. So R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R2, that is 1 kilo ohm plus 1 kilo ohm is total 2 kilo ohm. Okay, when two resistors are parallel to each other, 1K, 1K, R1, R2, point A and point B, then R equivalent is R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. Okay, what is R1? 1 kilo ohm plus 1 kilo ohm upon 1 kilo ohm into 1 kilo ohm upon 1 kilo ohm plus 1 kilo ohm, that is 2 1 into 10 raised to 3 into 10 raised to 3 upon 2 into 10 raised to 3. 10 raised to 3, 10 raised to 3 will get cancelled, and the answer is 0.5 into 10 raised to 3 that is 0.5 kilo ohm. This is Rab is equal to R equivalent is equal to 0.5 kilo ohm. When two resistors are connected parallelly, then equivalent resistance will be less than these two resistors. Okay, and when two resistors are connected serially, then equivalent resistance will always greater than these two resistors. Okay, then we will take one example. Example which is asked in unit test 2 is that this is the given circuit. This is R1 4 ohm, this is R2 R3 1 ohm and 2 ohm, and this is R4 3 ohm. This is point A and this point is point B. Then what is the equivalent resistance between points A and B? Okay. Then these two resistors, that is R2 and R3, are parallel to each other. Okay. Therefore, formula of equivalent resistance of R2 R3 is R2 R3 upon R2 plus R3. Okay. Then 1 ohm into 2 ohm upon 1 plus 2 ohm, that is 2 by 3. What is the answer of 2 by 3? 2 by 3 किती आहे? Which is 0.67 ohm. Okay, 0.67 ohm. So we can reconstruct this circuit is like this: 4 ohm, 0.67 ohm, and 3 ohm. Okay, and these are the 2 points, point A and point B. Then equivalent resistance between points A and B. These three resistors are series with each other. So the equivalent resistance between point A and B is 4 plus 0.67 plus 3, that is 7.67 ohm. Rab is 0.67 ohm. So answer is this. So clear your concepts of series connection, parallel connection. These how to find out equivalent resistance between 2 points. These points you should be perfect in these points, because when you solve network theorems like Thevenin's theorem, Norton's theorem, you have to find out the equivalent resistance, and for that this concept should be clear. So start studying. Thank you.